Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the power button. After you wake up the screen on your watch, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. After you open the menu, scroll through it and find the settings icon, and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the sounds and vibration option, and then tap on it. And here, scroll down and find the option called volume. It's gonna be right here. And tap on it. And as you can see, we opened the volume menu, and we have a couple of different volume types. We have ringtone, media, notification, and system, and we can adjust the sound or other volume for each type of volume. So we can tap on ringtone first, and here we can adjust the volume for ringtone by swiping on the slider or by using the rotating bezel. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back. Next we have the media. Again, you can use the bezel or swipe on the slider, and then you can swipe right to go back. Then we have notification, and once you're done, you can swipe right to go back. And then we have the system, and once you're done, you can swipe right to go back. And after you're done adjusting the volume, you can press the power button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.